Welcome to NovaEx AI. So I made a tutorial about this project some weeks ago, sharing how you can register and claim up to 1000 USDT worth of NEX token instance and bonus, and how you can bind your invite code, how you can earn even more. So this is my balance at the projected rate of 10 cents per NEX. Right? So I'm here to talk about some important updates, some important events coming up on the project. And before I get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this video is not a financial advice, as I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. NovaEx AI is the intersection of artificial intelligence and the global quantitative future. So this is the official Twitter page with a followership of 48.6k, right? So they have this event pinned here, shared 19 hours ago, talking about practical questions. Today everyone is joining NovaEx. Some people hold 10,000, some hundreds, some millions. What is it that even though everyone joins NovaEx on the same day, some people may end up holding 10 times, 100 times, or even more NEX than you in the future? Open your NovaEx account and check how many you currently have. Leave your answer in the comment, right? At the same time, they announced their NEX decentralized and centralized exchange listing dates to be on 21st of June. That's this month, right? So that's the listing dates, and this is the official announcement, right? And they have also backed it up with an event, NEX DEX CEX Countdown. So there's a 10,000 USDT rewards up for grabs, right? And 500 winners will each get 20 USDT, and this is how to join the event. First of all, you need to follow NovaEx AI on Twitter. So you click here, make sure you're following this very page. The next task is to join their Telegram, NovaEx AI. The third is to share the pinned post and this event post, right? So they're talking about two posts here that you need to share. This is the pinned post here, the one talking about the listing date, and then this one. That's your third task. And then the fourth is to leave a comment about your expectations for the NEX DEX and centralized exchange launch, right? So your expectations should be around the price, and is the price going to go up after the launch, something like that, but it should be something meaningful and of course positive, right? The fifth is to invite new users to join NovaEx, right? And winners will be drawn from users who comment on and share both posts. Basic participation equals chance to win the draw. Each valid new user invited increases your draw chance, and the event is ending in 48 hours. As at the moment, the post is only 14 hours old, so it means you still have more than a day to participate, right? So 500 winners, 20 USDT, 48 hours. So guys, go do this. It's absolutely free of charge, so go take part in it, and 20 USDT could be yours at the end of the day, right? So I believe in the full tutorial I made on how to join NovaEx AI and claim your instance and bonus, so you can jump on it and also be part of the project while waiting for the listing on the 21st of June 2026. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.